Studio, I am now joined by the Acting Minister of Education, Minister Martin Andjamba. Good evening, sir, and thank you so much for making the time to join us.
Good evening. It's a pleasure for me to be here.
Well, with schools officially closed for the month, how will the ministry ensure that this directive is then implemented across the board?
We will follow through as directed by the President of our Republic, Dr. Hage Geingob. We have got offices around the country. We will work through them and make sure that the directive is implemented to the letter.
Now, of course, we're also looking at a situation where some learners have yet to write assessments and exams. Will this not cause a backlog in terms of teaching? Or how is this actually going to be sorted out in terms as the second term officially begins?
A lot of work has to be done during the second term. The content that is for the first term would be covered during the second term as well, so that the learners are prepared for exams accordingly. So they will, together with the teachers, have to work hard during the second term.
So will this result in additional examinations then?
Well, the content that was supposed to be taken care of during the first term will be covered now during the second term, both first and second term.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, of course, we're also looking at a situation now where, considering it's the middle of the month, you've got, I'm thinking now of particularly parents who have children that are in hostels across the country. And we're sitting in the middle of the month. Is the government in any way looking to assist these type of parents, specifically those who are unable to afford to bring their children home? Or is government also perhaps looking at a way of assisting to house these children?
Well, we have not made any monetary arrangements to assist with the learners, but we are requesting the parents to make every possible effort to collect, for those that are able to collect their learners, their kids from the schools, to do so, and possibly also for those that are not able to do so. I believe public transport will be available. So we are requesting them to do their level best. But we also made it possible. We also made it clear to the schools that no learners should be left unattended. So there should be no rush for nothing. Everything must be done orderly. So the teachers and principals are given the responsibility to make sure that things are done orderly.
Now, apart from schools, what other learning institutions that fall under the Ministry of Education will be affected by this directive?
Now, all the institutions that fall under basic education, we have listed them in the statement that we have made earlier. They have all been listed in the statement, and they all fall under the directive.
Now, of course, this is a time where you've got quite a number of parents that are, of course, panicking, particularly when it comes to their children. What advice can you then give to parents and household in general in terms of additional precautionary measures to ensure that they remain safe, and particularly when they're taken home?
As I said earlier, let's avoid getting panicked. Let's do things orderly, and that parents are advised to take all precautionary measures to ensure that the learners are safe, their children are safe, they travel back safely to their houses, and also when they are at home, that the directives given by the Ministry of Health and Social Services in that are in line with those given by the World Health Organization are taken account of. So if we follow those directives, there shouldn't be any problem. Everybody must be safe.
Well, is there any last words from your side?
Well, we are ready as a Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture to contribute to every effort that is aimed at fighting this deadly virus.
And Minister, thank you so much for making the time to join us, and we certainly wish you all the best in terms of ensuring that our children, of course, then still are educated at the end of the day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Well, there you have it. There was the the Acting Minister of Education, Martin Andjamba, just sharing with us information with regards to the closure of schools. Now,